So as you can see, our January eggs are hatching, and this is the 10th of February. And there's going to be chicks hatching out just about every day for a while. Every time I take an egg out of the chick hatches out, I replace it with a new egg. Now, as you can see, most of these chicks have the yellow color. So they're going to be a white chicken, even though we have the black Kuchins out with the Brahmas. Now, most of these, I believe, are being bred by the Brahma. And with what is going on, now there's some with a little bit of yellow coloring, tan coloring on them. This little guy here even has just a little bit of dark on his, I don't know if you can see it or not, on his wing feathers. So, that one there. And so also the dark looks almost like a blood color. It's a kind of a reddish color. I believe that's from the Buff Orpington. It should lighten up some more as it dries. But most of these chicks look like they might be bred mainly by the Brahma. Now we have the black Kuchins, they're out there, the black rooster Kuchins, they're out there, plus the Brahma, and it looks like mainly the Brahma. So what's happening is, with their genetics here, it's the white gene is more dominant. So we have the dominant and recessive gene in the white. And this is what's getting our white. Now this one little guy here, get him caught up here. This one, I don't know if you can see that or not. But, let's see if I can get that a little bit. You can see a little bit of dark coloring on the eye. There, so that might be the Kuchin coloring on that one. So we're going to see how this all progresses as it goes along. Now we have 2 incubators, and both incubators are full. I just filled the other incubator with 5 new eggs. I still have an egg in the incubator that is just hatched out, so that chick will stay in there until it dries out. Now the one that's kind of laying, that just got up and ran off, I just pulled him out of the incubator. He's not totally dry, but he's dry enough, and he was starting to peck on the other chickens, so I took him out so he'd be out here. So we're going to see how their coloring goes. Now with the Brahmas, they have a little bit of black on their wing tips, and the rooster has some on his tail and on his neck feathers. I also have 2 Colombian Wyandottes out there also that look almost like the Brahmas, with the black on their tail and the black on their wing tips. So we'll see if any of these even get any. Usually with the Brahmas, or the Kuchins I mean, they're all black with a little bit of white on their head and a little on their chest, but I haven't seen any black chicks yet. So what's happening is the white gene is more dominant than the black gene. So this is why we're getting mainly all yellow chicks. and they'll all turn white. Now, a couple of them are a little bit, lighter. They're a little more buff looking, so they could be from the Buff Orpington, which is a recessive gene, I believe. The white is a dominant and the buff is a recessive gene. There's a lot of genetics on YouTube. You can check it out and find out more about your genetics. It also has to do a lot with egg coloring and all. There's a chicken that's from Africa that is all black and lays a black egg. Even the meat on that chicken is black. I don't think it has any taste different. I don't know because I don't have one. And I'm not sure if I'd ever get one. They're pretty expensive birds, from what I understand. But yeah, I thought I'd let you see that these are the eggs I put in January, the 20th of January, and they're all starting to hatch out. They seem to be pretty aggressive little chicks, so healthy and seem to be running around really well. A couple of the bigger ones are eating. These other three will start eating here shortly too. They can go without feed for 24 to 48 hours before you have to feed them. That's why they ship them the way they ship them. Murray McMurray usually puts a little cup of feed and water in their boxes when they're shipping their chicks too, so that he'll get his feet underneath him more. He's, like I say, he's pretty fresh out of the nest. So, and they're going to still all do a lot of sleeping for the next couple of days. Pretty soon they won't be sleeping as much as they are right now. He's still not up on his legs really good yet, but he'll get that way. He's more or less interested in getting underneath somebody like he would be under Mom. Getting out of the water dish. Let me move it over, there's more. They'll all calm down here in a minute. That one there. So they're all about, two of them are a good day old. They were born last night, and then the rest of them were born this morning. Were hatched out this morning. So, anyway, hope you enjoy that. Please subscribe, push the notification bell, make a comment, push the like button or not like button. Also, on those guinea eggs that I stuck in there, I stuck a couple of more in after I stuck the ones I put in. And there is one that is developing, but it takes 28 days for the guineas to hatch out, so it'll be probably another week before it hatches out. Anyway, please subscribe, push the notification bell, push the like button and not like button, make a comment, and share some of these videos with your friends and family. And we'll catch you on the flip side.